Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to export a Skype files and chat history, and we are going to download Skype conversation. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So first we are going to sign in to continue to Skype. So you can add email and password. So you can add valid email address, phone number or Skype name. So it's up to you. So we are in signing into Skype. Please wait. So we are in my account, and then you see setting and preference, and then you see export files and chat history. So click on it. Now you see request a copy of your files and chat history. Now you see conversation. Get a copy of your Skype chat history, and then you see files. Get a copy of all files shared on Skype. So if you want, you can select both options like this, and then you see submit request. So click on it. Now you see your export is being prepared. This might take a while, so you can periodically check the status of your export on this page. So click on continue, and then you see message. This might take a while. Requested, now pending. So when done, then you can download from here. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.